granola today. Hi.
It's like an updated or part 2 because my other video, I guess no one really was interested in watching it, but
this time I'm more prepared and I updated my hair routine. I'm going to be showing you guys what products I use, what products I will not use again, and just how I maintain this line mane, okay? When I want to keep my natural waves slash curls, this is the curling cream that I use. I put it on after I get out of the shower while my hair is still damp, and I just put it all over my hair, and then when it dries, well, I didn't put any product in my hair today, so that's why it looks a little crazy. My curls are starting to come back and my other natural waves, so yeah, it's been making my curls come back. Since 12 years old, I've been straightening my hair, so that's been damaging my natural curls, waves, whatever. This cream has been working great because my hair is thick. And it is a lot to maintain. That's what I use. Let me get another close-up. There you go. If you have curly or wavy hair or in between like I do, this will work great. Now, products that I will not be using again because it didn't work well with my hair. It might just be my hair type, but I don't know if it might work for you. So now, Tresemme, I've been using this heat protection spray for a long time, but I've been hearing bad reviews on Tresemme itself, on how it can be damaging to your hairs. I'm probably not going to be using this anymore. I'm going to move on to herbal essences. I use their shampoos and it's been going well, so I'm probably going to use more of their hair products. And then this hair gloss, I was already against it because I don't like pink or anything pink, but it said it was going to make my hair shiny, so I tried it and helps eliminate frizz. Did not work. My hair is still frizzy, even though I sprayed it like 50 times. And it made my hair look more oily than actually like that glossy, nice shine. Wasn't having it. So I'm not going to be using this again. I just bought the twin pack of the honey. It smells so good. I've been loving it. That's pretty much what I do. When it comes to growing for length, I just use scissors. I do the self-trimming method. Grab a little piece like this, and the little hairs that are sticking up right there, you just cut it with scissors, and you just keep going down, keep going down. Just grab like random pieces and get rid of the split ends. That's what I've been doing. And you brush your hair in the morning and before bed. My hairstylist always says I have a little head but big hair. That was it from my hair care routine. Let me know what you guys do for your hair, if any tips were helpful. And ever since I started brushing my hair every day, I've had less tangles, less knots. So sometimes when I forget to brush it or I'm too lazy, the next day I will have tangles or knots. The key is to always brush. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.